everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new over here, then hi, I am Debarati and I make content mostly focused on makeup and beauty. So by the title, you guys must be knowing that today is a haul video and I'm going to show you a couple of things which I bought. Like I've been collecting it for like 2 months, and mostly by the Pink Friday sale which came, I think so, on like 26th November. It was up to 30th November. So not blabber much because my intro gets quite long. So straight away I'll be showing what all things I bought. There are so much which I bought. Let me just go one by one. First I'll be showing you the normal ones which I bought from Nykaa, and it's okay and all the things. Okay, the first thing which I bought is these 3 eyeshadow palettes. These are like small eyeshadow pots of 10 eyeshadows which I bought from HOK or HOK, anything which you want to say. So these are Wet n Wild color icon, I think so, color icon, Wet n Wild color icon palettes. I got it on discount. Like there was an offer going on, like 3 for 99. So let me just show you one by one which I bought. The first, I already did one of my video using this palette. This is like Stop Playing Safe, which has this beautiful blue. I made a video, like if you want to see that you can go in my playlist so you can see this. So first is the Stop Playing Safe, which has a beautiful mixture of blue and green. It looks somewhat like this. Okay, these are the colors. Guys, please don't judge me by the way I'm swatching because I am a terrible swatcher. This is the next one, which is My Glamour Squad. It is your basic neutral colors where you have blacks and browns and 2 beautiful transitions. These are the swatches, black, brown, and this one is the lightest one, the golden one. Let me just do it once more. Okay, this is the golden one. Then you have my favorite, one of my favorite palettes. This is the V.I Purple variant. This is what it looks like. It has a beautiful combination of purple pinks and 2 like cool toned, one cool tone and one warm tone transition, and some mattes, beautiful dark brown colors on these 2 sides. So I've already swatched it. These are the swatches. If you guys want to test out this palette and you're like confused which one to go for, if you're a neutral girl, then you can go for the My Glamour Squad. And if you want to like experiment with colors more and you like purple scheme colors, then you can go for this one. It's like my best. Like I like this among all the 3. Next, going on, I bought a few stuffs from Flipkart, which I did show in my last like Diwali makeup from Essence. Like I have only seen Essence in Flipkart, and I have not seen Essence like for a really long time in Nykaa or Amazon anywhere. Even on Myntra it was available few years back, but right now it's not there. So these 2, one is this mascara. It's like really hyped up mascara like all over the world. So I really wanted to know like what's the hype about this, and I am a like mascara girl. Like if you don't give me anything, I can like manage like a mascara and lip gloss and all set to go. So beautiful. If you want to see the effect of this, then go to my okay, if you want to see the effect of this mascara, then you can refer to my video which I did on my Diwali makeup in my playlist. And this is Essence Make Me Eyebrow mascara, and this is also relatively good, but I like my Nykaa Oh My Brow better. Like I don't know why. This has fibers in it and this should be like better than that, but somehow the tone is like very cool toned, and I'm a one tone girl. My hair is black. Now it's black anywho. So I like that one better. Like it's okay. And it has a very decent price and all. And guys, all the prices I'll be listing out. So, and you will always get it on my description box. So yeah. Okay, next are the few things which I bought from Pack Store, which is in Kolkata. So these are like products which I always see out of stock in Nykaa and Amazon. So yeah, first is this one. It's the glitter base, which I was eyeing for like a really long time, just like a really long time, but it was always out of stock. So yeah, I bought this. Then I bought the Thick Cover Concealer in 05, and I bought this lashes. It's M75, and I really wanted to test this one because I've heard like really nice reviews about it. So yeah, I bought this. Okay, these are the things which I bought from the Pack Store. And next, coming on for the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. First, I bought the Nykaa Anti-Pollution foundation. It's in the shade 07 Hot Honey. I had the shade 08 and it was like a tad bit darker and it came out orange on my skin tone. It might not in your skin tone, but yeah, this is the shade Hot Honey and it fits perfectly, like perfectly. Next, I bought the foundation, L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Demi Matte Finish Foundation in the shade 106 Sun Beige. It's an extremely beautiful foundation. Like, being in combination to oily skin, like my T-zone is always oily, like hella oily. And in summers, like, itne koi zarurat nahi hai, I become a greasy turkey in summer. So this foundation, like, I have heard a lot of reviews telling that this, you know, exaggerates your dry patches and makes your skin look like more drier and dehydrated. But for me, it really worked like wonders and it stayed put along with the mask. Like, it was there for a really long time and I love this. It says demi matte, but it's quite matte. Like, my dry skin girls, like, I would not suggest you this one, but for combination to oily skin, this is your boon. It's affordable right now. I think it's on sale and it the MRP is, I think, to $7.99, but I think I got it like $3.75 or something. It was like 40 or 50% off. This is a steal. Like, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. And next, I bought the Maybelline Master Prime Mattifying Primer. This was like a new launch, I think, and nobody was like talking about it. So suddenly I saw this and it was around 50% off and I grabbed this one. Let me just show you the like tube. It's like so huge. It's like really huge. Then from Nykaa range, Nykaa cosmetic range, I bought this Nykaa Oh My Brow Eyebrow Filler. So it's basically eyebrow powder which you have in a stick like style, and this is the color. So this is the color. It's a bit darker. I mean, they were saying it's like very easy to use, but it's not that easy. Yeah, it's not that easy. I don't regret it mine, but it's okay. Like, you need to work to make it work. Okay, so there was an offer on Nykaa Cosmetics that if you buy from the range, from their Nykaa Cosmetic range, buy more than 1200 or 1300, you will get Nykaa Matte to Last Metallic Liquid Lipstick free. And this I got free from my purchase, and it's in the shade Firework. The color is like more on the reddish hue, like reddish burnt red color. I don't know how to describe it. It's like pink and red, both mixed. So this is the color. You can obviously apply it on your eyelids and just blend it like with a finger or a brush and you're good to go. So yeah, I like this one. I'll not say bad, but I like this one. So yeah, next I'm left with two products from the drugstore range, and first is this lipstick, which is from Physicians Formula. I had the shade Bear With Me and I really liked it. The formulation is like very creamy. It's matte, but not matte that it will suck out the light from your lips. It's like comfortable matte. It's like more on the, like, what to say, velvety matte. It does transfer like a very slightly. It just transfers. So this is in the shade Berry Healthy. It's a very pretty nude with brown undertones and I loved it. And next I did an experiment by buying this, and I don't know I regret it or not. Yeah, K Beauty Matteinee Lip Crayon. I had the shade Rom-Com and I really loved the consistency of this, the formula and consistency of this. It's like more of a dark maroon color, like vampy color, and I am not that type of girl who can rock this type of color, and I don't know why I bought this. Yeah. Okay, that was all my drugstore haul from Nykaa. Just let me keep this aside and let me go to the Lux store. Yes. First and foremost, I bought the Huda Beauty foundation. I bought this from the store, not from the website. So yeah, because I was not sure of my color and my shade. So now I'm like so excited. Like, yeah, every girl, like every makeup lover dream is to have like at least one Huda Beauty. Like, she's so gorgeous and she's like beautiful, like perfect, your eyes and lips and skin. So yeah, I got it in the shade Chai 210B Chai. It's a plastic bottle, so it's very easy for traveling. And let me show you the shade. This is the shade. And guys, it's like full coverage, like a concealer in a pot. It's so full coverage. Like today I'm wearing the foundation, and I just doubled it up using same foundation as a concealer, and it worked like beautifully. You can see it really worked beautifully. So you might think that this color is tad bit lighter than my skin tone, but let me tell you, this oxidizer is like no one's business. The girl in the counter suggested me the color, like the shade, and I was like, this color is lighter, like how can you suggest me a lighter one? Like this is absolutely not going on with my skin tone. And she was like, trust my instincts, like this oxidizer is like no one's business. And I was like, okay, I went with her like instincts, and for God's grace, like it worked like beautifully. It worked like magic, and it did oxidize, and it like very seamlessly matched my skin tone. Okay, the original price of this is rupees 3310, and I got it for like 50% off, like flat 50% off on 1650. So yeah, it was a good deal. Then from the website, like Nykaa website, I bought some Smashbox stops. So yeah, first is this one. It's like the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick X Malvika version, and I really wanted it for like so long, especially the shade Driver Seat, which is one of like Malvika's favorite picks. This is Driver Seat, and this is Babe Alert. Let me just show you the swatch of Driver Seat first. This is Driver Seat. It's a corally pinky shade. So up in my alley. I love such shades. These are like beautiful. The formulation, everything is fantastic, and this one is in the shade Babe Alert. This is also a very nice nudie pink color. Both the colors suits me perfectly. This like shows up as a dusty rose color, and this a beautiful warm terracotta orange color with slight hints of pink in it. And there was an offer, like if you buy it for 1450, you will get 3 samples free. So I bought the Smashbox Photo Finish Setting Spray with this. So this is the packaging, and this is what the bottle looks like. It's an extremely fine, like, you know, it's Smashbox, it's very fine, very fine. It was for 1090, and this is for 990. So it was about 1450, and I got this Smashbox Oil and Shine Control Photo Finish Primer, sachet one. I don't know when I will use it. Then I got the Vitamin Glow Primer, I think 7 ml if I'm not wrong, free, and a cute tiny Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Audition. Why you are giving such color when someone cannot wear it? Like, I don't think so any Indian girl or Indian skin tone can rock this shade. Like, it's way too pale. Like, if I have to wear it, like I have to wear a very like dark bold lip liner and then top it off only in the center just to give a pouty effect to it. I don't know.
Hi guys, it's me from the future. Hello. The thing which is there in my hand is Liquid and Light Highlighting Kit, which contains one liquid highlighter and a pressed highlighter from Becca. Okay, now continue watching.
And the kit was for 1700 rupees, which is quite a good deal for a liquid illuminator which you'll be getting, and the pressed highlighter, this is for 1500 itself. So you get this one just for paying rupees 200 more, you get the box. So yeah, it was a good deal. Have you ever rolled your finger on a butter? Like the smoothness, the texture of the butter, it's like similar. Like, can you see? This is the swatch. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Like, it just has a feeling like you have applied some wet. It just feels like wet on your skin, like it just glows from within. It's mind-blowing. First, apply this like dot, like you need a very tiny amount, like just like a full stop, tiny amount, and you just apply it and just blend it out with your finger or a beauty blender, and over that with very little quantity apply this, and oh my lord, like. Okay, by the Becca purchase, I got this Becca loose powder free. Okay, and it's a wrap right now. Everything I've covered, and these are all the things which I bought. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. Like it helps a lot for content creators like us. It just gives us enthusiasm to work more. So yeah, anywho, I'll meet you in my next video. Please stay safe, stay indoors, and okay, bye.